Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the Milwaukee 2621-20 M1818V lithium-ion cordless sawzall. If you're looking for the best electric sawzall, then you're in the right place. Milwaukee has designed this tool to meet the toughest challenges, offering superior performance and durability for both professionals and DIYers. Let's talk about the features that set this sawzall apart. First, the quick lock blade clamp, which makes blade changes incredibly fast and easy. This feature eliminates the hassle of fiddling with complicated mechanisms. You just open the latch, switch the blade, and you're ready to go. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, or plastic, you can quickly adapt this tool to suit your project. Another standout feature is the all-metal gearbox. If you're in a tough work environment and accidentally drop the tool, don't worry. The robust metal construction ensures the internal components stay safe and protected, allowing you to continue working without missing a beat. Now, if you've ever worked with a reciprocating saw, you know that vibration can be an issue when cutting through thick materials. The Milwaukee 2621-20 addresses this with its internal counterbalance mechanism. This reduces vibration significantly, making the tool more comfortable to use, especially on longer cuts. You'll experience less hand fatigue, which is essential when you're working on bigger projects. One of the most advanced features is Milwaukee's RedLink intelligence. This technology connects the tool with the M18 battery, allowing them to communicate. It helps prevent the tool from drawing too much power, which can lead to overheating. As a result, you get a more efficient performance and a longer lifespan for your battery. As for battery compatibility, this sawzall works with Milwaukee's M1818V lithium-ion batteries. Whether you have the 4811-1860, 4811-1850, or any of the other M18 battery models, they will fit and power your tool seamlessly. When it comes to power, this sawzall runs at an impressive 3000 RPM, delivering the cutting speed you need to get through tough materials with ease. The powerful motor ensures that you can tackle even the most demanding tasks without slowing down. The Milwaukee 2621-20 Sawzall is not just about raw power. It's built to last and designed to handle whatever you throw at it. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, this tool will quickly become one of your go-to power tools. With its all-metal gearbox, counterbalance mechanism, RedLink intelligence, and quick lock blade clamp, it's clear why the Milwaukee 2621-20 is considered the best electric sawzall on the market today.